Hey everybody! Today I'm going to be working on this little dish that I found. It's just plastic, but I thought it was kind of cute, so I'm going to pour some pretty colors on it. And then these are my colors right here. I've got Liquitex Magenta. This is FolkArt Brushed Pearl Gold. And then these two are from Artist Loft. We've got light violet and then violet. And then I have white. You can tell I use that one a lot, which is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, and if I need that, I'll use it. So I'm going to pour all my stuff in a cup and then pour it on that way. So I'm going to start with the regular violet in the bottom, and then the magenta. And some light violet. Dump a little bit of gold kind of up high so it goes through. And then I think I will put a layer, if I can get my lid off of there, a layer of white, just a little bit of white over the top there. And then the rest of the violet and the rest of the magenta. And I don't know if I'm going to dump the rest of this light violet, but there. And then the rest of the gold. Sorry about that, it's up a little too high. Okay guys, so I've decided to take an old canvas board that I had previously painted on, and I covered it with white paint, and I'm going to take this cup and stick it in the middle and then set this on top of it, because I've done that in the past and then I wished that I would have. I know it's not a canvas, it's just a canvas board, but we'll see what happens. Alright, so now I'm just gonna start dumping. Actually, I think I'm gonna zhuzh it, give it a couple little zhuzhes like I like to do, and then start pouring on it. Make sure everything gets covered. Okay. Okay, so I had a little bit of paint left in my cups. I put them all in here. And now what I'm going to do is take a squirt, put a squirt of alcohol in there. And just give it a little mix. And then I'm going to just dump it in the middle. Actually, I think I'm going to move it around first. I'll move it around a little bit. See what happens. I don't really... Okay. So now I'm going to take this cup and I'm going to do ribbons all around. Tilt that. I have to touch up the corners after, but we'll do this. Alright, that's a little different. Turned out kind of cool. I'm going to take my torch and go over it lightly. Alright, so I'll give you guys a close-up so you can see all the cool swirls and everything. There's some little cells in there. The torch popped up. Let's see. I really like the swirliness. That's pretty. It seems like all the little cells are mostly in the gold. Alright, so it turned out kind of cool. I'm going to let that continue to dry, and then I will be back to show you. Let me give you a little bit of close-up real quick, just so you can see some of the little bit of detail going on there. That's kind of cool. Anyway, alright, so I will be back so you can see when they're both finished. Alright guys, I'm back so I can show you both of these pieces are done. This turned out really pretty. It's just a canvas panel because I didn't want to waste the paint that was being dripped off of the tray. But you can see there's some really cool dendrite fractals that started forming. So I like that. And I do like the ribbon. There's lots of ribbons through there. So that turned out kind of cool. I like that. Alright, and then here's the tray that I poured on. I really like the details on there. Too bad it's the bottom. But anyway, it turned out pretty cool. And then the inside is also really pretty. It's very soft looking. I do like that. So I'm going to use it to just put jewelry in, or you know, whatever. Anyway, it turned out pretty cool. So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel.